of you know, children, this is the second property of carbon atom. Before going to the tetravalency of carbon, we know valency. What is valency? Valency means it is a capacity of an element to form bonds. Okay, to form a number of bonds. Okay, it has a capacity of an element to form a number of bonds. We call it as valency ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay dear children, valency you know it is a capacity of an element to form number of bonds. We call it as valency. You know, hydrogen has 1 valency, nitrogen has 3 valency, oxygen has 2 valency, then carbon has 4 valency. Okay dear children, now hydrogen bonds with only single element, means HCl, only one element. Nitrogen bonds with 3 elements. You know the examples, NH3, okay, N, H, H, H. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಿರಮಿಡಲ್ ಇನ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ 2 valency. It will bonds with OCl, that is Cl, OCl2. Okay, carbon methane structure ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, 1 2 3 4, that is 4 hydrogen atoms. Okay dear children, the number of valency defines the number of bonds. How many valency? That much of bonds in the particular molecule. Okay dear children, carbon has 4 valency means it has 4 covalent bonds irutte anta. Okay, oxygen has 2 valency, it has 2 bonds, and nitrogen 3 bonds, hydrogen 1 bond. Like that, the valency defines the number of bonds, means it has a capacity of an element to form number of bonds. We call it as valency anta heli karitivi. Then go to the carbon as tetravalent. Okay, carbon as tetravalent. You know, tetra means 4. Okay, tetra means 4. Tetra 4. Then ಏನಂತ ಅರ್ಥ? 4 bonds around carbon. Okay, it refers ಏನಂತ? 4 bonds around carbon. Okay, around carbon atom. Okay, 4 bonds around carbon atom means tetravalency. Why carbon has tetravalency? Why carbon has tetravalency? ಯಾಕೆ tetravalency ಇದೆ? You know, the atomic number of carbon is 6. Then you write the electronic configuration of carbon atom. Okay, how we will write the electronic configuration of carbon atom? That is electronic configuration, the ground state electronic configuration. Okay, the ground state electronic configuration. I will write electronic configuration ನಾನು EC ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ sometimes. Electronic configuration is, that is 1s2 2s2 2p4, sorry 2p2 2p2 2 2 2, then 2 plus 2 plus 2, totally 6. Okay, 1s2 2s2 2p2. This is ground state electronic configuration. When carbon atom in excited state, okay, the excited state electronic configuration, then easy anta bartini, electronic configuration of carbon atom. Okay, that is 1s2 2s1 2px1 2py1 and 2pz1. Get it dear children? Why it's like that? Because to get stable ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ one of the s orbital electron ಅಲ್ಲಿ s ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 electrons ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ one of the s orbital electron is jumps to the p orbital to get stable. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಮಗೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಸಿವಾದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ? ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಅದನ್ನ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ನ ಅದು ಪಿ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಗೆ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ you know p orbital, how many subshells in the p orbital? There are 3 subshells in the p orbital. Look at here, I will show it is in ground state ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1s2 like that, 2s2, then 2p2, 2p orbital, 1 electron, 1 electron. One of the orbital is vacant. To fulfill the vacant orbital, one of the s electron jumps to the vacant subshell. Okay, then ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1s2, 2s1, 2p x1, 2p y1, then 2p z1. Then look at here, how many vacant orbitals in the carbon atom in the excited state? Look at here, 1 2s1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 electron ಇದೆ, 2p x1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 electron ಇದೆ, 2p y ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 electron ಇದೆ, 2p z ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 electron ಇದೆ. Then there are 4 unpaired electrons. Okay, how many unpaired electrons in the carbon atom in excited state? There are 4 unpaired electrons. There are 4 unpaired electrons in the excited state. Okay na? ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ 4 half-filled orbitals. Okay, 4 half-filled orbitals in valence shell. Then carbon exhibits 4 covalent bonds. Okay, then carbon exhibits 4 covalent bonds. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಫುಲ್ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಶೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇನ್ ಈಚ್ 2s1, 2p, 2px, 2py, 2pz. Then there are 4 half-filled orbital in carbon atom in the excited state. That's why it has 4 valence orbital. Then it will exhibit 4 covalent bonds. That's why it has a 4 valency. Then get it, dear children, ಯಾಕೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಟೆಟ್ರಾವೇಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ 4 half-filled orbitals. Get it? Okay. Then go to, that is for the maximum 4 covalent bonds will form in the carbon atom. Carbon atom 5 bonds na exhibit ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ because it has only 4 covalent bond, 4 valency. That's why its maximum number of covalent bond in carbon atom is only 4. Okay. Okay, dear children. Then we know catenation and tetravalent. Then go to the electronegativity.